Oh no, guys, there's something outside of my camp, my hammock. I'm so scared right now. It's a demon. Oh my god. Someone's stalking me. Oh no. Please click on my video and share it. It's totally not fake and an animal. It's definitely a ghost or someone trying to kill me. Oregon hiking in January. Lovely. Spider's still out. I got water in my boots. Hammock and a tarp does surprisingly well. Got down to 15 degrees the other night, and I wasn't doing too bad at all. I didn't even have to put the other tarp up. So going on day 4 of snow and freezing rain in a $40 Walmart hammock. Not too shabby. How I stay warm. I got my tarp. I have an emergency blanket that I just kind of toss down by the legs. Not sure how much insulation that's providing me, but I got my sleeping bag, that my summer bag I used hiking Washington. I'm using kind of as a bedroll underneath me as a barrier to keep me insulated. I got 2 fleece blankets, one heavy one and one like a lighter, thinner one. I only have the heavy one right now with my winter sleeping bag. It's only a 30 Fahrenheit bag, so it's not that warm, but plenty with me. I got hiking with me. I got 2 thermals, 2 hoodies, and a jacket. I got a scarf, a beanie, a sun hat. Well, that ain't keep me warm or nothing. And I got a shiesty mask. That'll keep you warm. Some socks, some cannabis, 1 pack of hand warmers, which I didn't really need them yet. I'm just kind of spoiling myself now. It's supposed to warm back up at least to like 40, 50. I'll be able to trek out of here tomorrow and get back moving. Oh, I've had about a little less than 2 gallons of water. 4 nights of this, the lowest it got was 15 or so, 11 with the wind chill. And ain't too bad. You get yourself a pee bottle, you don't gotta get out of the hammock. Except a couple times a day to go chase the bear or talk to a man about a goat, if you know what I'm saying. But like I said, a couple trees fell down around me through the night. Before the storm came, I took my little saw and cut down a couple trees close to me that I figured were widow makers that might have fallen on me. So I'm glad I did that because some big trees fell. I'll get up tomorrow in the daylight and look around better, but there were some big trees. A couple things of ice fell down on the tarp, but my paracord brace there kept anything from hitting me. Got a little wet up here during when it got real windy, but I'm good. Oh, check this out. Freaking sleeping bag I came with a pillow. I needed that. Hey, I ain't never seen that. Came with a pillow. That's pretty cool. Well, somehow through the night I tore my dang mosquito liner right here. I have to do a repair with my sewing kit, but I don't know if it might have been the zipper that did it, or just my elbow. But Anyways, should be a quick repair. I've been snacking on flipping tuna. When I had some firewood before everything got frozen, I was cooking ramen. Had some veggies, mostly tuna though. A couple brownies. Probably surviving on about, since this ice storm came, can't get to town or nothing, maybe 600, 800 calories a day. But I'm not too hungry, I ain't moving around, burning energy, just trying to stay warm. Can't really go anywhere, there's freaking 6 inches of ice snow. And water all around that. So, keep my mind busy while I've been stuck here. I got a couple bluegrass gospel albums on the cell phone to listen to, some other music, some podcasts, and I've been reading. Where is it? Somewhere in here underneath. Fucking, I got it for $2. Love it. From the library. It's Pride and Prejudice. Anyways, I'm like 2/3 through that horrible book. It sucks so bad. It's the most boring book I've ever read in my life. Frickin' milady courting, just romantic gesturing from the fucking 1700s or something. It's a terrible book. I don't understand why it's so highly regarded. Maybe something will change. But good God, is it a fucking drag. It's like a chore to read. Whatever it is, I'll just throw it out in the freaking snow. It's a crappy book. But get some good thinking in here. Try to get a quiet mind. This is a place to do it. That's for sure. Well, the sun finally came out. See all the dang trees that fell around. Guess I'll get up and mosey on around, see if I can get it out of here. Had to get up on the first night, and probably about the second night, second day or whatever. Ice had been pulling up here and weighing it down. I was worried I was gonna tear it. Probably like freaking 30 pounds of ice. Stretched it out, but I don't see any holes and nothing didn't leak. Big thing of ice fell on it, but I don't see any holes in the tarp. Good to go. Raccoons or something got into my trash the first night, but I got another trash can. Clean it up before I go. I don't think I'll be able to get out of here for at least a couple hours. It'll be fucking sundown, so I'm gonna stay kind of night at least. And I got a trail to walk through.
As I awake in the darkness and I look around, there is no sound. It's so tranquil, it's so calm like you. But now I hear a noise. Is there any way out of this nightmare? I'm alone now, and you're laughing at me. But I take life in a way that you could never see. So if you're leaving, you better let me know. 'Cause I've already started my plan, and I'm never gonna let you go, no, no. Lord, I've lived on the dark side of the moon, and I've
devil. This is Germanic. Pretty much pagan death chant. Trying to find some nature devils. There's one of them big ass trees that fell. There's a shortcut up here. I jump over this fence and run down this hill. It saves me like about 2 miles. But it's scary. Oh no, they're gonna get me. The monsters are gonna get me. It's a ghost. They're gonna steal and go get me. See how badass this flashlight is there. Brings the daylight. Oh wait, there's my turn. Ooh, slippy slidey. The ghosts are gonna get me. Oh. Pussies. Some people find it weird to listen to Pig Latin, Germanic chanting, but scripture is scripture. Don't be a bigot. Fuck, this is what I was dreading. I think I can get by on the right there. I don't know if I can do it holding this fucking camera and flashlight there. Might be fun. I'm good. Where's the puka? Anyone out here, they could be freaked out by me. I'm not going out there. This is unexpected rain, by the way. I don't plan to be hiking in this, but I only got about another, I don't know, mile and a quarter to go. Just kind of being a dick, making a point. There ain't no fucking ghosts or demons or devils out here. Fucking, there's wet, goddamn mud though. I might as well be the devil. Where's my best route? Oh, that's not the best route. Fuck it, committed. No. Woohoo. Feel cold now.
Yeah. Some say I'm an advocate of Lucifer. Some say I'm a child of God. Yes, they do. Some people think I got the 9 lives of a cat. Others say I'm filthy as a dog, a wretched dog. So you be forewarned, I'll come prowling after you when I catch you.